Paid user onboarding is one of the best ways to generate more money for your SaaS. In this video, I'll show you my exact 12-day completely automated onboarding experience that you can copy and paste into your business. But before I talk about my exact system, let's talk about why paid user onboarding is important in the first place. A solid onboarding experience will reduce buyer's remorse, reduce churn, increase average customer LTV, and ultimately put more money in your pocket. Now, if you're a SaaS business owner and you would like this exact system to be built out for you, done for you, with 7 other systems in addition, I'll leave my website link down below where you can book a call directly with me. All right, so let's get right into it. The purpose of paid user onboarding is to welcome paid users to your platform, to reinforce their buying decision, to get some testimonials from them, to increase their social proof and get more people to buy, and to upsell the paid users on more expensive plans to increase your average customer LTV. So the first email you're going to send will be sent out immediately, and this will be day 0 of the paid user onboarding experience. This email is going to be sort of just a confirmation email, right? Just to give them feedback that, their credit card was processed and that they are now upgraded to Pro. Here, all you want to do is to thank the buyer for their purchase, and then you can go into a little bit of the features that they're going to get now that they're on a Pro plan. But that's not the purpose of this email. Your goal here is to just simply confirm that the user has been upgraded to Pro, and then secondarily, you can share the features in order to reduce buyer's remorse. Email number 2, this will be sent out 2 days after the first email, and this will be day 2 of the onboarding experience. In this email, you can get a little bit more deep into the features of your product. In this email, you want to cover what are the benefits of Pro, not just the features, because people buy based on benefits. You also want to talk about what new things do they have access to now that they're on the Pro plan. What differentiates the thing that they just bought versus the free trial or the freemium version that they were just on. Essentially, the purpose of this email is to show the user the value of the paid plan. And the sooner they are to realize this, the less likely they are to churn. Next, email number 3, you're gonna want to wait 2 days before email number 2, and this will be day 4 of the onboarding experience. In this email, you're going to kind of come at it from a different angle. Here you want to bring in some social proof. The best way to do this is to share how other users are using your product. The most impactful way to do this is to bring in social proof from famous users, right? Let's say you run a Twitter automation platform. Your best shot of this is to tie in some famous Twitter users and show how they are deriving value from your product and how using that product has significantly improved their workflow and has generated them a lot more income. If a customer knows that this product is helping other people, primarily people that they look up to, they are more likely to believe that it will help them. Next, email number 4. Once again, you're going to want to wait 2 days, and this will be day 6 of the onboarding experience. Around this time, the user will be familiar with your product and has started to see some benefit. What you can do here is to ask them to fill out a survey or write a testimonial to increase your social proof. A survey would give you some valuable information that you could use to improve the onboarding experience for future users, and a testimonial will allow you to increase your social proof. You could post this on your website, your socials, or other platforms in order to bring more users into your product. Next, email number 5. With this, you're going to want to wait 3 days from email number 4, and this will be day 9 of the onboarding experience. Around this time, you can try to look to upsell a user. Around this time, they should already know your product and like it. To upsell the user, what you want to do is to explain how they might save money by upgrading to an annual plan, or some extra features they might benefit from upgrading to a more expensive plan. Lastly, email number 6 of the onboarding experience. Here you're going to want to wait 3 days, and this will be day 12. Here, this will simply be a follow-up email on email number 5, and you just want to reiterate the benefits you stated in the last email. Super simple follow-up. Right after this, you're going to want to add the user to your buyer's newsletter to keep them updated with recent updates, with news, and to share future promotions. And that's it. That is the 12-day automated onboarding experience. If you found value in this video, go ahead and comment down below what was your favorite part of it. And once again, if you'd like the system built out done for you, I'll leave my website link down below where you can book a call directly with me.